think it's amazing. I think it's amazing that not just men and women, but people are standing up for just calling out powerful men who think they can get away with anything, you know. And it's not very easy. It's extremely difficult. And I guess in America, you know, they've had the courage and the support from everyone to be able to do it. It's really wonderful to see. I don't think it's an industry thing, and I don't think it's an India thing. I just don't think we've come together yet to be able to do that in such a big way, yet.
I think that, you know, obviously we have to continue working hard at making sure that everyone enjoys equal rights. There's absolutely no tolerance towards violence. So yeah, I think we have to continue working hard towards that, and it's a joint effort. Society has to work together for it.
Extremely painful and extremely sad, and I think I don't want to give interviews, but if we can stop this and be a force to reckon with, then definitely.
Sure.
अगर आप कुछ अपने शब्दों में बताना चाहें।
मैं खुद यहाँ हूँ बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं बहुत पेनफुल है, तो मैं यहाँ इसलिए मुझे ज़्यादा बात नहीं करनी।
फिर भी कोई एक चीज़ जो बदलाव ला सकती है, आप अगर अपने शब्दों में कहना चाहें।
लॉ एंड इन्फोर्समेंट ऑफ लॉ, इफ फास्ट ट्रैकिंग ऑफ हाउ टू हैंडल क्रिमिनल्स हैपेंस, आई थिंक वी विल बी इन अ मच बेटर प्लेस। अगर 40 ही दिनों में हम अपने क्रिमिनल्स को सज़ा दे दें, और वो भी कड़ी से कड़ी, आई डोंट थिंक वी विल हैव दिस हैपन सो ऑफन। थैंक यू।
एजुकेशन जरूरी है।
Just to talk about it only is very, very disturbing, and even think about something like this, it is genuinely very disturbing. I just hope she gets justice. मैं इतना ही बोलूँगी.
My whole concern and sympathy with her, and I think whatever has to be, whatever legal actions or whatever has to be taken should be taken with firmness.
It's extremely sad. It's extremely shocking, and I'm very surprised the way it's been reported. जिस तरीके से, but I'm sure let the facts come out, and can't wait for the culprit to get behind the bars, of course.
जी, I really have no idea what to say about this, क्योंकि you know ये हर आए दिन हमारी country में होता है, and rather than focusing on issues like this, I don't know why our country and the rulers and caretakers of our country are really behind minuscule matters. I think जिस तरीके से हम women empowerment की बात करते हैं और women safety की बात करते हैं, I think सिर्फ बातें करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. I think we should take some action towards it to stop all this nonsense from finally happening.
Samira, much appreciate like आप यहाँ आए और you're strengthening the cause for this.
See, I'll tell you, आज मैं सुन रही हूँ जो भी everybody what they're saying, lots of blame game is going on कि government ने कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, political parties are making this one about the politics. लेकिन मेरा एक ही, I am here peacefully to say कि बदल आने के लिए you have to start from grassroots levels now, here. As a mother of a small baby, I can say कि I want all mothers to teach their sons to respect girls, to respect women, and that starts very early in life. और अगर as a society, if we take that stance, बदल आएगी, लेकिन it'll take time, it'll take 10 years, it'll take 5 years, but that change will happen today. As a society, we need to change the way women are looked at. The problem is that all this is happening because women are looked at the wrong way. And why is that? What are we doing wrong as parents? What are we doing wrong as a society? How are we portraying our women on screen? How are we talking about them? What are the jokes we're making? How are we demeaning them? That is why I'm here, to say that is how we should be doing it. Not tu, main, hum, yahan, anger, cause, Modi government, no. As a mother, I'm here to tell all mothers, do your job and make the change happen in your own home. And that is how we can make a change. It will happen. I think education is a must at all levels, because that's how you can teach a man to respect a woman, and a woman to understand that she shouldn't be ashamed of even speaking out. They are saying, will it change that we all are here? I said, somewhere out there, some woman is listening and she's going to go and tell her family कि ये मेरे साथ हो रहा है, ये हादसा हो रहा है. Somebody has to have the guts, and for the guts, all our support needs to come into play to say we are with you. And that is the change we are making today. We are not going to have overnight change. नहीं होने वाला है. It will take time.
चीज़ें ज़्यादा बुरी होती जा रही हैं.
बुरी नहीं, ज़्यादा बुरी नहीं हो रही है. अभी we are talking about it. I feel it has always been there. It's been there even at the times of our parents, but nobody had the guts. If you, बोल नहीं पाते हैं, और क्योंकि they're ashamed. If you see at least 4 out of 5 women are molested, I will guarantee you that. It's just that nobody has the guts to talk about it. If you look at my mother's era and our stories I've heard, of course there's there. It's just that aaj social media, news outlets, everyone's talking about it. People are here supporting it. So that fear has gone. So everyone's talking about it.
Thank you so much. Amen to what you said कि जल्दी मतलब जो चीज़ें हैं समय लगे लेकिन शायद वो समय जल्दी आए ऐसी हमारी
बिल्कुल आने ही वाला है and we are going to have many issues like this. Unfortunately, we're going to have many gatherings like this. That means there are many more issues going to pop up, but that will move us in the right direction. And the government needs to help in terms of the right laws, in terms of the right movement. They need to support in that way. We need to be a better society. That's all. Yeah, thank you.
बदलाव ही नहीं आ रहा है, हम देखते जा रहे हैं इस तरह की ना इस तरह का केस हम लगातार देखते जा रहे हैं, क्या कहते हैं?
आई थिंक हमने ये देख लिया है ना कि जब तक हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे तो बदलाव नहीं आएगा. सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम एंड वी नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट वी टैकल दैट प्रॉब्लम. क्योंकि कोई भी कर नहीं रहा है तो हमें ही करना पड़ेगा. तो इसलिए हम कर रहे हैं जितना हम कर सकते हैं और हम और भी कर सकते हैं. आई फील देयर इज सो मच मोर टू बी डन. आई थिंक जो शर्मनाक चीज़ है वो है कि so many people have had to come together and make such a noise and you know there has been so much outrage. तभी जाके इस केस को लिया गया है and people have you know have brought it out into the open and are dealing with it. जनवरी में हुआ ये. अभी आप बताइए कितने महीने गुजर गए हैं and you know there are so many girls and so many families that suffer like this और उसको एक religious angle दे दिया जाता है. Humanity का क्या हुआ? Why is it about religion? Why is it about community? Why is it about caste? It's not about any of those things. It's about humanity. It's a basic thing. Girls in our country need to be safe. And we cannot have a situation where they're constantly violated and people are constantly getting away with it. It's a problem.
आपने जो भी कहा बिल्कुल सही और काफ़ी वक्त जनवरी में हुआ था. कहीं ना कहीं आप किसको दोषी ठहराएंगे इस बात में?
I think जो एक लोगों का दिमाग है इस कंट्री में पता नहीं हम सबको क्या हो गया है, एकदम फिर गया है. एंड आई थिंक द मेन थिंग इज़ कि हम कहते हैं कि बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ, बट आई थिंक लड़कों को पढ़ाना चाहिए और सच में उनको एक खींच के थप्पड़ मारना चाहिए अगर वो ना समझें कि उनको क्या बताया जा रहा है. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग एंड देयर इज़ अ बिग प्रॉब्लम दैट men think that they can do anything to women and get away with it. It's not okay. But हम ये मैसेज दिया जा रहा है to the country कि fearlessly अपराध हो रहे हैं women पर. तो yeah, so it's up to us to stop it now.
कहीं ना कहीं जब भी बिजनेसमैन और बड़े लोगों की बात करें इस तरह के केस होते हैं तो जल्दी सुनवाई जल्दी एक्शन लिया जाता है. इस तरह के केस जल्दी सॉल्व नहीं किया जाता. अदालत से भी गवर्नमेंट से भी अच्छा रेस्पॉन्स पकड़ा भी जाए तो बहुत जल्दी बाहर आ जाए. इसके बारे में
गलत है. अब मैं क्या बोलूँ. it's very wrong. it's corruption. there's corruption at too many levels. इस केस में भी इतने टाइम से बाहर नहीं निकला क्योंकि ब्राइब्स दिए गए थे. तो I mean we are becoming a very corrupt country and we shouldn't be like that. We're a far better country than we are giving ourselves credit for. I mean we should be. हम हमारी कंट्री में जो अच्छा है and that is that we are so diverse and we are a syncretic culture and we should celebrate that and we should work towards making you know empowering our country and especially the women of this country. जब तक एक लड़की empower नहीं होगी country आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता है.
आई थिंक ये सिर्फ एक केस नहीं है. ऑफ कोर्स ये केस अब बहुत बड़ा हो गया एंड थैंक गॉड बड़ा हुआ ताकि उसको इतने it gets those eyeballs which it really needs because I think laws need to be changed. Laws need to be more faster in terms of जो trials होते हैं. That needs to speed up. Justice needs to come really soon. Then we have been women have been suffering for years and years and eons and decades maybe and centuries. And I think high time औरतें अब जाग रही हैं, समझ रही हैं और एक they have a certain urge now to have their own right and again they understand that we need to be respected. हमारी bodies कोई खिलौना नहीं है, कोई object नहीं है कि आए खेले चले गए मार दिया. उतने ही इंसान है जितना एक आदमी इंसान है, उतना ही खाता पीता सोता है जितना एक औरत करती है. तो आदमी और औरत कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं टुगेदर सोसाइटी को, एक अकेला आदमी नहीं करता है. एंड आई थिंक it's high time that the laws change, and I think high time that the politicians of this country take this matter very very seriously, because ये अब literally पानी सर के ऊपर से निकल गया है. And I think अब time है कि अगर कुछ नहीं किया गया तो I think शायद औरतों को अपने हाथ में लेना पड़ेगा सब कुछ, and then I don't know where it goes from there.
The one thing that I want to say is how many people, how many women, एक निर्भया हो गई, एक आसिफा हो गई, और कितनी लड़कियों के साथ. I mean, ये तो सिर्फ these are the highlighted cases. Otherwise, there is one every single day somewhere or the other. तो कितनी सारी ऐसी cases आएंगे और उसके बाद आप you'll wake up. कब जाकर?
They are not waking up. That's the point. The reason why we are here.
It could be your sister, my child, her. It could be any one of us. So for how long? How long do we suffer this? अगर आप change नहीं होंगे, अगर मैं change नहीं होंगी, तो ये change नहीं होगा. We want fast track justice and we want justice now.
And I think very stricter punishments. विद्या ने जैसे पहले कहा कि अगर आपके मन में डर नहीं होगा तो आप कुछ भी करेंगे, क्योंकि आपको लगेगा you can get away. Like बहुत लोगों ने यहाँ पे भी कहा कि you can, the whole thing of they feel they'll get away, and that's why nothing is happening. So the reason the government needs to take a stricter stand is because they need to instill that fear in people, whether it is men or women, from the wrongdoing. जब तक वो नहीं होएगा, जब तक डर नहीं बैठेगा, इंसान अपने conscience को control नहीं करेगा. So I think
how
that's.
dare does a person call the other person and say, oh please come here because this is a party happening? Raping a little girl is a party? I mean how? Where? What is this mentality? और कहाँ से ये आती है? ये हमारे society के अंदर है.
There is a.
ये गंद है, इसको बाहर निकालना जरूरी है. और अगर उनको आप hang और punish नहीं करोगे, तो कैसे जाएगा आगे देश? How?
There's a documentary which was done. There was a documentary which was done in Haryana state. और वहाँ स्कूल के बच्चे, लड़के और लड़कियाँ ये समझते हैं कि रेप लड़के और लड़की दोनों की गलती है, which is unbelievable, क्योंकि ये हम थॉट प्रोसेस उनके मन में डाल रहे हैं. छोटे छोटे स्कूल के बच्चे कहते हैं कि लड़कियां चलती ऐसे हैं या जीन्स पहनती हैं तो इसीलिए वो हमको अट्रैक्ट करती हैं. Really? I mean, this is where we are getting at now. They're going to decide what we'll wear and then they will feel attracted or not. Even लड़कियां for that matter ये सोचती हैं कि रेप लड़की और लड़के दोनों की गलती है. तो हम क्या सोच अपने बच्चों में डाल रहे हैं, I think ये चेक करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And Haryana honestly is a state which is, it is a rape state, I'm sorry, but maximum number of rapes happen in that state and nobody does nothing. And ये सिर्फ मेंटालिटी बच्चों की नहीं है, वहाँ पर औरतें जो हैं वो भी यही सोचती हैं कि लड़कियों को ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं चलना चाहिए. एक छोटा लड़का वो कहता है कि हाँ लड़कियों को जब काम हो तो ही निकलना चाहिए बाहर, वरना घर में रहना चाहिए. This is what we are putting in their heads, and that's the reason why they are growing up to be people like these who are raping children. So I guess we are doing something definitely wrong right at the root level of our country. Thank you very much. Thanks.